I'm going to tell you and teach you the first 10 elements to remember by heart in chemistry. Chemistry. My name is Kumar Hussain and I am a maths and science teacher teaching in United Kingdom for the last 25 years. My job is to make sure that you get good grade, and for that what I have been doing in my last previous so many years, I am trying to collect them and present you so that it will be easy for you to get grade 9 or at least grade 8. So how can you remember this first 10? So you remember this acronym, okay? Hi, Henry, look, Betty Bout. Now Betty Bout is a Scottish girl name. Betty Bout cannot open frozen nuts. So these are the first 10 elements. H stands for hydrogen, H for helium, L for lithium, Be for beryllium, B for boron, C very easy for carbon, and another easy nitrogen, O the easiest one, yes you're right, oxygen, F for fluorine, and N for neon. So if you remember, hi Henry, look, Betty Bout cannot open frozen nuts, actually you are learning the first 10 elements of the periodic table. Hopefully you liked it, and if you do that, don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you very much.